Everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have m plus 9 whole square equals to 81, and we solve this problem for the values of m. So now here we solve this problem for two methods, and now here we will discuss our first method. So I hope so you like both of these methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. So in first method we need to focus in the right hand side, and here you have 81. So we will move this 81 in the left hand side, and it will be written as m plus 9 whole square minus 81 equals to 0. And now here further in the next step we again rewrite this equation as m plus 9 whole square minus, we write this 81 as 9 square, and this whole equation equals to 0. So further in the next step we need here the nice algebraic formula. You know that if we have a square minus b square equals to a minus b times of a plus b. Here in this first method we can apply this formula. So according to this we have the value of a is m plus 9, the value of b is 9 only. So we will substitute the values of a and b in this formula. Okay, so according to this nice formula we write our above equation as, first you have a minus b, the value of a is m plus 9 minus the value of b is 9 into a plus b, again the value of a is m plus 9 and plus the value of b is 9, and this whole equation equals to 0. So now you see here this is negative and positive term are cancelled out by each other, and we get over here you get m times of m plus 9 becomes 18, and this is equals to 0. And now here we will convert this equation into the two cases. The first case is we take m equals to 0. The second case is we take m plus 18 equals to 0. So this is our first real root of the given equation, and from here we move this plus 18 to the right hand side and we get m equals to minus 18. So this is our second real solution of the given equation. So these are the two values of m which we get from first method. And now here we move forward for second method to solve this problem. So from second method we again copy down the given question statement, so that our given question statement is m plus 9 whole square equals to 81. So this is our given question statement. And now in this method we can here you have m plus 9 whole square, so that here we use this formula. If you have a plus b whole square, it is equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square. So we can solve this problem with the help of this formula. So here you have the value of a is m, the value of b is 9. According to this formula we write the left hand side of above equation as, first we have a square, so here our a is m square plus 2 times of ab, a is m and b is 9 plus b square, so our b is 9 square, and this is equals to 81. So further in the next step we need more simplification. That will be written as m square plus 9 times of 2 becomes 18m plus 9 square equals to 81, and we move this 81 in the left hand side and we get minus 81 equals to 0. So you see here this is positive and negative term are cancelled out by each other, and we will get m square plus 18m equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need to focus in the left hand side, and here we take common m from left hand side. So here when you take common m, because this is m square, it means that these are the two m's. When you take common one m, we get here only one m, plus when you take common this m, here we get 18, and this is equals to 0. And now here we will divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we take m equals to 0, and the second case is we take m plus 18 equals to 0. So this is our first root of the given equation, and from here we move this plus 18 to the right hand side, and we get over m equals to minus 18. So this is our second solution of the given equation. So you see here the both of these two solutions are same. It means that both of these methods gives us the same solution. And now in the next step we need to verify these two values of m, if these two values of m are satisfied the given question statement or not. So for verification, we first copy down the given question statement. Here it is m plus 9 whole square equals to 81. This is the given question statement, and now we can verify the solutions here. So first we verify the solution m equals to 0. So for m equals to 0, we put this value of m in the left hand side. It will be written as 0 plus 9 whole square equals to 81, and 0 plus 9 becomes 9 square equals to 81, and 9 square becomes 81 equals to 81. This shows that the value of m equals to 0 satisfied this question statement. And now here we will check the second value of m. The second value of m is equals to minus 18. When you put m equals to minus 18 here, it will be written as minus 18 plus 9 whole square equals to 81. And here we need to subtract these two values. Minus 18 plus 9 equals to minus 9 whole square equals to 81. Here we separate the square of minus term and 9, so we write minus 1 square and 9 square equals to 81. So minus 1 square equals to plus 1, and 9 square equals to 81 equals to 81. So you get 81 equals to 81. This shows that the value of m equals to minus 18 satisfied the given question statement. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.